Yes, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just finished the gym and I dropped off my car to get serviced, so my ride is coming. We're gonna go for a pretty nuts hike today. I've seen some pictures of it and it's pretty beautiful, so you guys are in for a treat. And then we'll see where the day takes us, so tune in. Shoot. Okay guys, we made it to the beginning of Wiliwili Nui Trail. We're actually at the park at the bottom of the hill, and it was a 20-minute walk, all fucking steep uphill, but this is the beginning. And just look at this view. You know, it's already starting off really good. So far it's been all incline. Trying to keep a steady pace. Shirt might come off in about 2 minutes, so.
Shirt's coming off. Oh my. You can't hear how hard I'm breathing.
Keep going, running.
I have a bad feeling that this is where we're going. And it's going like this.
Oh babe, you're faster right here.
Alright, I guess we finally made it to the Wiliwili Nui trailhead. So I guess it starts here. Let's do this. Oh! I literally just fell.
Yeah, you have to step on that. It's getting real slippery and real wet. Great. Oh, I did wear white shoes today. Okay. Actually, Crocs probably were the best move ever. That's resuming work.
Well, I have a favor. If you go to Vegas before me, I'm gonna send you money. I want you to put a couple $100 down for me for the Raiders and the Super Bowl.
Bet. We're really on the ridge now. Drop offs on both sides. We still got about half a mile left. Glad we did this. It's all uphill from here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Home stretch. All right, guys. I think we made it. That was not an easy one. Let's take a little look at this hike. So, we are at the top, boys and girl. We just hiked this whole ridge line all the way down, and then all the way back in the beginning is the neighborhood we started in. So, and that's only 2 miles, 2.5 miles for some reason. The hike says it was 2.5 miles, but with the incline, I'm thinking that's like 3.25. Oh, there's more. in the fucking mountains, but in the clouds. Wow. Where the best parked. Back down here, baby. I've been coming up too. Coming down, I feel like it's not the best idea to try to balance on everything. Trying to create some content for you guys, and you know what? This is very fucking dangerous. I don't know if you.
You're gonna say at least 50 likes.
I better get fucking 1,000 likes on this video. Ooh, these views, man. It's like the purple hair. Fucking hell, man. You're like one with nature.
All right, down we go. Really?
Your weight in your back butt and hold on with your arms. Take them off then. Go barefoot. Slide your right foot.
Okay,
Slide
yeah,
'em.
there you go. Let's go. There you go. This is all downhill, so it's not that bad, but my legs are shaking already. I'm scared I might get shin splints, but man, we are hungry. I'll meet you guys at the bottom with a couple plate lunches. My legs are sore from recording, so. Okay, so we're about 10 steps away from the car. Man, that was a fucking long downhill. All of our legs are fucking cramping up.
Yeah, I would swim in that frog pond right there.
My quads are about to get stuck straight pretty soon.
Yeah.
We're all pretty pissy, you know, I'm in a pretty hangry mood. I need 2 lunch plates and a smoothie, so. Woo! Cousin, I could not decide what to eat, so I'd order 1 loco moco, 1 mini garlic chicken, and on Trenta black tea with 2 pumps of raspberry. Oh, I'm about to mop this and then shishi nai nai. Cheers.